Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to post on Facebook page. All you have to do is go to your Facebook page. Then, if you want to post something, click what's on your mind. Or if you post a picture or video, click here. Then, choose a picture or video you want. Now, if you're done to choose on your picture or video, click Next. At the bottom, you will see this icon. Tag a friend, feelings, or locations. Once you've done, back to your page. Now, at the top, you can enter a caption on your post. Then, if your caption is final, click post at the top. And that's all. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.